Hey everybody, I'm Veljko. 3 years ago I bought and installed the spacers for my rear wheels. These are OEM wheels, for those of you who don't know. And after I installed them, the front wheels looked too out of place. They were too inside in the car compared to the rear ones. So a few weeks ago I decided, hey, let's just buy and extend the front wheels as well to make the front aggressive like the back. As you may notice, I already installed them, so that's how it looks like. But the company that I found on eBay and bought is called MOCA from USA. Now it says like it arrived from USA, but it's actually made in China. I'll show you. But so far there has been no problems. So the dimensions that I chose is 15 millimeters. At the rear, it's 20 millimeters, or 0.8 inches and 0.6 inches at the front. So you be the judge how it looks. I will wash the car and show you a few clips how it looks like from many angles. I also wanted to point out that the car now looks lower, even though it's not. This is the stock suspension. Now that's also due to the fact that I put the bigger sidewall tires, if that's how it's called, forgive my English, but basically the tire is bigger, so it fills up this gap nicely. I can put only 2 fingers at the back and at the front. So it's a win-win. I get a comfortable car over bumps, and that's not so lowered. And at the same time, it looks lowered and it looks way more aggressive. So yeah, I recommend this product. I have no issues with it. There hasn't been any vibrations during driving or any problems. The steering wheel didn't get heavy or didn't felt weird. It actually, I felt like in the corners you gain a bit of grip, the front end grip, because the wheels are more spaced out. And yeah, overall, just positives. That's it for this video. I hope you enjoyed it, and I'll see you in the next one. Take care.